have ever thought that you would die rather than have to speak in front of the public? You may not be alone. Well, a fear of public speaking was found to be the most pressing concern than death, as per the society's most pervasive fears. The fear of public speaking, known as glossophobia, is the most common phobias ahead of death, spiders, even height. Isn't it shocking, friends? It was equally shocking for me when I went through the reports. The National Institute of Mental Health reports of that says that public speaking anxiety affects around 73% of the population. The underlying fear is the judgment or the negative evaluation done by others. Public speaking is made up of two words, public and speaking. But it does not only mean to speak in front of the public. It has various formats including conferences, group discussions, personal interviews, kavi sammelans, debates, extempores, elocutions, and the list goes on and on. I can recall of one of my childhood experiences, which was one of my first experiences of public speaking. It was my first day at school in a new school, and the teacher introduced me to the entire class. She asked me, Jaspreet, stand up and let everybody know about you. I stood and I went blank. My hands started trembling. I had that quiver inside. My heartbeat started to increase. I couldn't speak anything. Finally, the teacher told, please sit. Since that day, I took this decision that this should not repeat again in my life. I took this fear as my strength and I followed 4 steps to overcome this fear of glossophobia. The first step I followed is to take small steps. I took in very baby steps to public speaking. I prepared my content thoroughly. I did not memorize the words or sentences. I spoke from my heart so that it reaches the heart of the audience or my listeners. I reduced my stress by smiling, by keeping that constant smile on my face. And I tried to engage the audience. So this is how I overcame my fear of public speaking. You know, a public speaker is not born a public speaker by birth. He works hard towards it, puts in 100% effort and dedication, and then becomes a public speaker. Just like we acquire other skills like swimming, jogging, cycling, or any other passion of ours, then we learn that skill. Similarly, public speaking is a skill that has to be learned and that only develops with time. We always need to appear confident in front of the public. So how can we appear confident? In order to appear confident in front of the audience, we have to maintain that eye contact with the audience. That connects a lot. We have to use gestures that emphasizes our points. We have to move around the stage. You know, when you move around, you walk around the stage, that moves in the fear you have inside, that makes you feel more comfortable. You also need to match your facial expressions with what you are saying. Last but not the least, you need to breathe slowly and steadily, in fact, instead of that constant nervousness going on in your mind. So how do I do public speaking is, first of all, I plan. I plan everything in advance in my mind. I engage the audience like I already discussed. I take care of my body language. I think positively. Like I always say, optimistic approach towards life is the best. I also watch the recordings of my own speeches. Lastly, I practice. You know, practice makes us perfect is a famous saying, but according to me, practice makes you better. that perfection is just a myth. So friends, let's practice, let's become better. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like my video, hit on the like button, share and subscribe. Let's impact lives together. Thank you.